And now it's time for everybody's favorite game show. Nope, not that one. It's time for What's Inside the Box. Now, here's your host for What's Inside the Box, Andrew Robinson. Yeah! Hello, everybody, and welcome to What's Inside the Box, the game show hosting everyone knows what's inside the box becomes a winner. Today, our first contestant is a reptile who wears a red cape and always help a friend in need from danger. Please welcome Super Gecko. Super Gecko, it's nice to meet you. Thanks for being here. Wow, thanks, mate. Oh, I can't wait to be on the game show What's Inside the Box. Oh, this is gonna be fantastic. Okay, our next contestant is a unicorn who loves to sing and dance and be a part of the Chuck E. Cheese group. Please give a great round of applause to our good friend Ronnie the Unicorn. Hello, Andrew. Am I too late to tell you that? Aren't you glad I'm here for the game show? Ronnie, you cracked me up. What did I say? That was funny. Alrighty, our last contestant is a feline person who's being fancy and always be a character like Shaggy and Scooby. Please give a great big out of the box welcome to Top Cat. Oh, thank you, Blimp. I can't wait to be in this game show. Boy, this game show looks perfect. Well, I'm glad it is, Top Cat. I'm glad it is. So, anyway, you have to figure out what's inside the box, if it's a person, place, or a thing. So let's play, shall we? Alright, Super Gecko, we'll start with you. Can you figure out what's inside the box? Let me think. Is it the box of toys? Oh, no, that is incorrect. Sorry. Alright, Ronnie, you're next. Can you figure out what's inside the box? I better believe it might be toys that Chuck E. Cheese sold. Oh, I'm sorry, that is incorrect. This is what's inside the box, not what's inside the toy box. How come I always talking funny when it comes to telling people what's inside the box? Dang! Alright, Top Cat, you're next. Can you figure out what's inside the box? Is it Dana Green as a YouTuber? Top Cat, that is correct. It is Dana Green.
Surprise! Look, it's Ronnie the Unicorn again.
Yup, I knew he was in that box for a whole time. Well done, Top Cat. You won fair and square, and you're on first place. And as for you, Super Gecko and Ronnie, since you're in second and third place, I hope you got a prize that you may not answer. Tell them what they won. Right back at you, Andrew. They have 4 prizes that they won. They won a party with pizza, donuts, cupcakes, and all beverages they can drink. Next, they won money, where you can pay a lot of dough. They usually won a bowling alley with pizza and a Coca-Cola to drink with. And finally, they won a prize Teletubby with Tubby Custard and Tubby Toast on the Teletubby's head. Now, back to you, Andrew Robinson. Okay, that's all the time we have for today. We'll see you next time on What's Inside the Box.